Matt plays them at housewarmings usually.
Exactly.
Can I get a copy
Digital
of this?
Christmas card.
Yeah, you actually will get a copy of it.
Okay.
Yep.
All right, here we go. Hi, this is Matt Yetter with Sherlock Home Inspections. Phone number is 971-212-7481. Website address is yourinspectionneeds.com. Today's date is Thursday, November 12th, 2020. The address we're inspecting today is 17126 Southwest Woodpecker Lane, Beaverton, Oregon, 97007. We are about to perform a video inspection of the property's main sewer line through the front yard exterior cleanout. The equipment being used today is the Rigid Sea Snake. This is one of the best sewer cameras on the market today. Before we begin this video inspection, it's being noted that some age sewer pipes made of clay, concrete, cast iron, asbestos, and Orangeburg may be in good working order and may never have had a clogged or sewer backup before. However, due to real estate transactions, attorneys, and lawsuits, Sherlock Home Inspection must recommend the following to meet the current codes. All sewer pipes should be watertight, made of cast iron, ABS 3034 or HDPE pipe, all appropriate fittings and couplers. All sewer pipes should be free from breaks, offsets, separations, tree roots, bellies, and party sewers. Sherlock Home Inspections recommends replacing any sewer pipe that does not meet these specifications. Here we go. We are in 3-inch ABS plastic drain piping. We are running some water from the kitchen sink to ensure that our pipe is watertight and is going to remain watertight throughout this inspection. After just a couple of feet, we're going to get deep here. We're going to dive straight down into the ground. So we're going to transition here. This signifies a few things. This signifies transition in pipe size. So we're going from 3-inch pipe into 4-inch pipe. Signifies transition in pipe materials. We're going from ABS plastic into 3034 plastic. And then lastly, we're transitioning into the city branch piping. And even though we enter into city branch piping here, technically all of this will be buyer owner responsibility throughout the entire lane. We're going to reach the city lateral right about here. So we'll call it 38 feet to the city lateral. So we started in 3-inch ABS, we transitioned to 4-inch 3034, and we dropped on the city lateral at 38 feet. This would be the end officially of buyer owner responsibility. This is the large lateral pipe running through the middle of the road out in the front of the house. It's the pipe that the homes in the neighborhood, or at least the homes on the street, are tying into. We're going to turn off the water and the microphone, and we're going to drain everything out. We're going to look at the pipe one more time in reverse. As we were pulling out of a dive right before the transition to 3034 piping, it looked like there was some glue buildup. Something was catching onto the camera a little bit as we were going through that area. It wasn't quite as smooth as could be. So we're going to drain everything out so we can get a better look at that area.